What's good, everyone? Accent Boy here, back with another video. So crazy news coming out of the black community again. And when I say crazy news, it just seemed like nothing that happened in the black community these days seemed to amaze me. But here we have a sad case where we have this so-called 33-year-old individual from Chicago who basically stabbed her boyfriend to death over a stupid issue. And this issue is they're stemming from who get to use the microwave first. So this is at 3 a.m. in the morning. And remind you, this lady is 8 months pregnant. 8 months pregnant. And you're telling me you didn't have the sense to think about, I'm 8 months pregnant. This is my baby daddy. If I stab him, I'm potentially gonna stab him to death or stab him so he could feel it and live. But no, because you were so caught in your feelings, you let your feelings or so-called emotion get the best of you and basically take your baby daddy life away. Not saying that the guy is innocent, because they're saying that with this couple, there've been about 5 domestic violence call between them. You know what I mean? Where they're saying that they choke, punch, and slap or punish or push her because of the boyfriend. But none of them tend to persist with the charges. But my thing is this: how stupid of you guys to fight over a microwave? Like, people really sit and talk and think about it. A microwave. Like, I understand he's probably saying first come, first serve. But at the end of the day, you guys live in the same home. And after one use it, the other could use it. Look at it now. One person is dead. The other who's pregnant is in jail. Probably going to be in jail for the rest of her life. And not only that, you're carrying a baby. So I could imagine all emotional stress that is on her right now. You know what I mean? And the thing is, she probably not thinking about it like, if I stab him, what can happen? I understand that they're saying that she didn't meant to stab him, and also she didn't think that he would die. But come on, you stab somebody, of course there's a potential that person could die, because you never know if you're gonna hit one of the main artery. What do you expect? And this is what I can't understand. A lot of these stupid ass people, especially couples, they love talking about toxic relationship. Oh, they love toxic relationship, this and that. And look at it. Look what the toxic relationship leads to. You in prison, your man dead. Now the child is gonna grow up without a daddy. Now the child is gonna grow up without a mom. Like, come on. We gotta do better as black people. We always let our emotion get the best of us. If not our ego or our pride. And I truly don't feel sorry for this female. I hope she get the maximum sentence. It's just sad about the child. And sad about the dude losing his life over stupidness. But as I said, he's not innocent, but he didn't deserve to get stabbed. And to me, I feel like this was premeditated by her, because you just don't get up and say, I'm going to stab someone like that. These are stemming from all issues that they've been having in the past up until now. And she finally get tired of it. You know what I mean? And as I said, I feel no sorry for her, because if it was the dude who stabbed her to death, you would already know that dude will get life in prison or some extra a lot of years without any remorse. Now they're saying that she's slammed with a $2 million bail order, which would require her to post a $200,000 bond to be released. And I'm guaranteed she can't even pay that. Not even pay that, as I said. She can't pay that. I guarantee she can't pay that. Your bond is 200 and something thousand. Where are you gonna get that from? Huh? You wasn't thinking. Yet you guys are arguing over a stupid microwave. A microwave that each other could take turns. And the people in the house, other than them, they're so stupid. Like, you seen a pregnant lady about to stab her boyfriend. Why not intervene and stop it? Huh? Why not? But nah, because of this toxicity, you guys rather watch than intervene. And who knows, they probably intervene, but I'm not seeing that from the article. I heard that from the news. And I really can't understand how a lot of people tend to like toxic relationship, because there's nothing positive comes out of it. And most of the time, if someone doesn't get hurt, someone end up dead. Like, what's so special about toxic relationship? I really want to know. Because nothing positive comes out of it, as I said. And who knows, a lot of females like toxic relationship, and so a lot of dudes. But personally, I could never see myself with someone toxic. Because as I said, it leads to two things: death or someone being hurt. And we gotta do better as black people, man. We gotta control our emotion and also feelings. And I see a lot of people were saying because our hormone levels was through the roof, maybe that's why she did it. Oh, please. Oh, please. You tell me this dusty ass heifer could even think twice on her action, and what her action probably led if her action probably led her into jail? Because as I always said, every action have a consequence. And if you don't think straight, these are the things that happen, and you're probably going to end up in jail or dead. And it's just sad a lot of black kids are growing up these days without their parents. If it's not the dude, if it is the mother. And it's just sad how our society is these days. Especially the black community. We're our own worst enemy. And look at it now. It's just sad. And not only that, they're trying to say that this heartless decision that the girl, so-called girl, did, they're saying all the evidence shows that Keisha, that's the girl name, act in self-defense. And I'm like, what the you talking about? Self-defense over a microwave? Self-defense. And it's just so crazy, man. It was that dude who said it was self-defense, and he was the one who stabbed her and she died. Guarantee that dude would never see another day of freedom. And as I said, man, we just gotta do better as a whole, and a whole as a community. So people, just let me know what you think, like, comment and subscribe.